Hi, today we're going to be looking at how to use ChatGPT to create internal links for your blog posts. It's quite a simple thing really. So once you create a piece of content, let's just ask Chat to quickly make us an article. Can you please make a 1,000 word article for me? SEO optimized, all about why internal links are so important. So now, good old Canvas. I absolutely love this. Canvas has been the greatest update to any type of AI tool for quite some time, in my opinion. So we're not obviously going to worry about this article itself, we're just going to use this as a bit of a demo. So once you've written out your article, whatever it may be, all you need to do is go into your website, whatever your domain is, so your domain /sitemap.xml, and that will bring out a whole, your sitemap. From there you can go to posts, and then you ask ChatGPT, can you please, God, how's my spelling today? Naturally add 5 internal links from my site below. Do not hallucinate and text. Do not say click here to this link. So often ChatGPT, when you're doing linking, will do the good old click here. You don't really want that. You want your links to naturally be in the text. So for example here, internal links also distribute link equity across your site. So that you could, if you had some type of fact about this or some research, this could be an external link, you could then external link from the actual text itself, rather than saying, hey, here's a great source, go and read this website, read this paper, click here. You don't want to do that. You just want to naturally incorporate the links into your text. So by giving Chat I'm actually using just a complete random website here that I found about internal linking. I thought they were a low DR. Let's just give them a little bit of a view. They don't have the biggest sitemap in the world, but all these are the posts that they've got on their website. So ChatGPT will see all the different posts they've got and whether any of those will fit into this content here. So let's hit it and see what happens. So you can see, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now you can see here that Chat is actually, I call it naturally incorporated. There might be a more scientific word, but naturally incorporated into the text. You can test it here. It's not even showing us the link, but if you open the link, let's see what happens. There you go, so the link is working. 6 ways to get your post more attention. Perfect for linking. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's unreal. So you can see it's that easy. That is probably all the links you need. 5 links, naturally incorporated. They look good. Obviously you do want to make sure, if you've got a blog or a website that's got various different topics, you want to make sure the topics align to whatever your post is talking about. But I mean, ChatGPT is kind of smart. It will know what suits the topic or not. And there you have it. So literally, right, once you've got your content, copy your sitemap, your domain, /sitemap.xml, go to your posts. So this one, post sitemap there. So their sitemap index was this. I go to post sitemap. That'll bring up all their posts they've got. So they've only got a handful. They're actually doing quite well. They weren't ranking very well, but I think I found them on the 15th page of Google. I don't even know what they do, to be honest with you. I was just looking for reasons why internal links are so important. So yeah, you just copy your sitemap, paste it in the chat, and there you have it. Nice and simple, very, very easy to do, and really, like, it should definitely be something that saves you a hell of a lot of time going through creating internal links, and could save you hundreds of dollars. You've got all those internal linking tools these days that they're not cheap, and ChatGPT can literally do it in the click of a finger. Alrighty, nice short one for you today. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.